I guess this is a calm before the storm, because there's supposed to be a winter storm coming up the east coast. We might get some of it. If it hits the mountains, it might stick around for a little bit to give us a little bit of snow. But I don't think it'll stay very long. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I guess the weatherman was right. We did get some snow. It can go away now. I had enough. I don't know. Boy, according to that truck over there, I don't really care about measuring it, but at least 4 or 5 inches.